Hi everyone, deep pit. We've got the bridge jacked to its new position. So I don't know if you can see there where the original location of it was. It looks higher from down here. That looks quite a big gap. I think they've gone up about 1.5 metres. So I'm just on the Aspel side of it at the moment. So I'll go around stay on the Aspel side, but I'll go around the other side of the mesh fencing and see what we can see from that side. So around the other side of the mesh fencing, still on the Aspel side. You can see there where it used to rest. Get a bit of a better view from this side. Apologies for the lines down the screen, everyone. I'm actually filming through the wire mesh fence because of the tree cover. So looking towards the Hindley side of the bridge. See the lifted level on both sides. Do a little bit of a zoom in. Obviously because of the restrictions on the footpaths while the work's going on, can't get too close to it, so I think what I'll do is send the drone up and have a look at it from above. So this is the Hindley side of the bridge. As you can see where the ramp used to go up, it's just hanging in midair. Now staying on the Hindley side of the bridge, this is sending the drone up towards the Aspel side. So some decent progress going on at the moment. I will keep an eye on the project and update as regularly as I can, so if you can like, subscribe and share, really appreciate it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Thanks everyone.